Good day everyone. For today's update, I mainly focus on the AI for the enhancement of the detection, as well as I changed the implementation of the model from using the Llama Scout to its higher alternative, which is the Llama Maverick. So I changed the model to Maverick, as you can see here, with 128 instruct than the Llama Scout with a lower instruct for a better accuracy. This is just for testing to see what will be the changes and how good will the Maverick in regards with the video analysis. And inside the main.py, our main code, I added few modifications with the YOLO e-classes and play around during testing with multiple videos on how I may be able to have the appropriate class name for most of the threat or suspicious activities. So I list down here, for example, for abandoned items, we can put around suspicious packages. For theft or taking property, we can just put it around theft. And for some property damages such as vandalism, we can just put it around vandalism. Then I added also some vehicle to make sure that vehicle will be able to identify if ever this CCTV camera will be put in parking area. That's why I put a tailgating and vehicle as well. So let's try to run it. We can change the video inside the .env. For example, we want to identify the shooting. Let's try to run shooting 1 mp4, and then we will run the python main.py. So upon running the application right now, it's not saving any session, but instead you need to log in from time to time, and I will be enhancing this one so that you will only log in one time. So here is a video that I got from real-time CCTV footage dataset for the threat detection. So right now there's no processing happened yet because there's a lot of okay. So as you can see, the YOLO was able to check on some of the suspicious activities, including this person. So it says person fighting, person walking, and it's able to identify the car as another package. So I think we should play around more on the package for the identification or improving of accuracy. And as you can see here, we was able to identify person fighting. And if we take around here with the suspicious activity, we can see that this can be a chance for robbery or theft, and was able to identify that a man is pointing a gun on an individual. So this is much more better accuracy than what we have with the Llama Scout. So I close that one and go ahead and try the shoplifting. Then we going to run on this one again, and admin at email.com, and then the password right now that I set is password. So we will going to run the shoplifting video. Then here we have the shoplifting video. We can see that the person is being identified here. So it says from the YOLO e-classes that the person is walking, which is true. The person is currently walking. So if you take a look at the pusher activity, this was the event activity that was being identified. So right now, there's only a fallback since there's no other item that is being analyzed. So if you can see here, it says from the YOLO E that there's a person fighting, and that's one of the model enhancement that we need to do. Okay, I think this is all for the updates for today, and for this day I will be focusing as well on the enhancement of the YOLO E to increase the detection accuracy, and to check more additional videos or CCTV videos that resembles a lot with office setting or on a condominium setting. Thank you.